Hello everyone. So today we're gonna link YouTube to Google Ads, and we're gonna get this done right now. Let's get it done. So first of all, we're gonna link our own YouTube channel, not this channel of course. I'm gonna link another channel that I have. So here it is, my own YouTube channel. Here we go. Awesome. And here's my channel at the moment. We've got several videos up. Some videos are going up. So this is something that I want to increase. So I'm going to make longer videos to increase my retention time. This is my channel link, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to paste it in Google. So hopefully I'll get my channel up. And awesome, done. Great. So now we get our channel subscribed, linked up, smacked, and all set to go. Yeah. So if I link it, I'll be able to view counts, remarketing, and engagement. So let's see here, link name. I'm gonna give it as name came in a short form, News Game Studio. Goods. GoogleAds. Okay, let's now link it. Let's see how it works out. Alright. Linked. And that's awesome. Linked. So, well, there you go. Now I think the approval request will be accepted, so that's going to happen. There you go. Now we have to open campaigns page, did they say. So let's open the campaigns page and see what. In the campaigns page, yeah, our existing campaigns are happening. Why is the tutorial not moving? I don't know. Open the campaigns page. I've opened the campaigns page. Boss. How do I go from here? Those are our campaigns that are yet to kickstart, so we're waiting for them all to go in. Oh, that's the campaigns page. Okay, thank you. Got the campaigns page. In the campaigns page where you review and match campaigns, the first campaign is here. Before you can change the site, so I click down. Not that. Okay. I think they want to show something else, so let's go back and see. Oh, for the next campaign, we just have to press the plus button and we can create the next campaign. Click on the campaign to see its title and more in detail. Inside the campaign, we can also see the impressions and how many times your ad has been shown. The views column tells you how many people watched your ad for at least 30 seconds. So people have to watch your ad for at least 30 seconds, or if possible, more than that. So if you watch more than 30 seconds only, it gets counted as a view. Then your performance will track over here. Alright, that makes more sense now. Let's open the settings page now, and we'll be able to adjust the settings as and when needed. So here's the budget that I've allocated for the video ad. Let's see how it now turns out. So this is the setting, and as I I want to end this at 5th. I'm just gonna change it to 6th because it still hasn't gotten approved. So I'm gonna let it run for the extra day. Anyway, the webinar starts at 9 PM, so I'll still be able to get more traffic as before the last moment with the webinar is about to conclude. Now I go back to the campaigns page, and yes, the guide has been complete. Thank you, Google, for this guide. Thank you all for staying behind and watching this video. This one has been really beneficial for me because I gained an idea of how the campaign metrics is arranged at the moment on the Google Ads expert mode. Stay tuned for more videos because we have a lot to learn about Google Ads. Bye bye.